Let me show you all of the camera Pro mode settings in Google Pixel 11 Pro. So we're gonna start by opening our camera. We can then enter photo mode and click on this gear icon and navigate to the Pro mode. Now inside you'll be able to change your resolution to 50 megapixels or 12 megapixels. You can also activate JPEG photos or RAW photos as well. You can also go for manual or automatic lens selection during the photo taking, basically. Then you can also click on this button in the bottom right corner and adjust things like the night sight. You can turn it on and off. You can change the shadows on photos, adjust exposure, white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO as well. And on the left there's looks, and you can also change contrast, highlights, shadows, vibrance, tint, warmth, sharpness, grain, and etc. So that is basically every setting for a camera Pro mode. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.